Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see, today we're doing another nail tutorial and I'm doing this press-on sets for my little sister. She just graduated from esthetician school, so now she can have her nails, and she requested Nightmare Before Christmas. I do use my Cricut machine to cut out all my decals, and so I'll be cutting out a bunch of just stars, moons, some stripes, swirls, and of course Jack and Sally. Born Pretty was nice enough to send me this new nail polish, which is what I use for the background. And so if you guys are ready to see how I did these, please keep watching and let's get started. Here I am on Cricut Design Space and I'm just going to open up a new project. I do have my nail template with a direct link on my Etsy if you guys needed it. This is the link right here and it takes you directly to my Cricut project. Now all you have to do is just open it in Cricut Design Space and customize. Here in our project, we have a set of 3 templates, including long, extra long, and short. I always use just the long set, so I'm just going to delete the ones I don't need. And now our template is ready to go. This direct link is only for Cricut Design Space, and so if you're using a different program, all you have to do is just upload the PNG files that are also included in the Etsy listing. Here we can see this is a PNG file, so the background's already removed. I like to upload it with a print and cut so I can keep the colors. Since it's only a template, it doesn't really matter. And now I'm just gonna upload. Once we add to Canvas, this image is way too big, but I do include all the sizings you need in the instructions on the Etsy file as well. And so once we enter our sizing, we can see here our template is ready to go. First, I'll be starting over in shapes and then just creating this stripe pattern. I like to change the color of the nails just to give me a better idea of what the final product is going to look like. And I want a deep French tip, so I'm going to just use this oval shape, and then by using this shape and duplicating it, you can slice them and then create that oval shape that you need. And so after we slice our projects, we can just delete everything that we don't need. And these will be our nail decals. Over on the left, we can see our images, and here I'm just going to type in star and select all my free filters. These are all images we can use for free, and so I'm just going to select this one right here and add to my canvas. I just want to keep the inside, so I'm going to contour the outside and just keep it like this, and then just change the color and add it to my nails. Next, I did want to add a moon, so I'm just going to add my circles here, and just by duplicating it and kind of crossing it over, making it a little smaller, we can create that C shape that we need, and then just put it over on the nails. And so I do like to use the free stuff from Cricut. Here we can see there is a lot of things we can add, and also just by mimicking shapes, we can add a lot of design and detail to our nails. For special images that we want, there is always Google. Here I'm going to type in Jack Skeleton SVG and just see what comes up first. I'm looking for something with not too many intricate details, something that will look nice on the nails. And I did found this Amazon listing, but this is the image that I wanted to save, so I'm just going to save it over to my computer. Back in Cricut, now it's time to upload our image. Here I'm selecting complex, and over on the left hand side I'm going to increase the tolerance just to remove the background. And actually I'm just going to be clicking on the black. And now we save as a cut image and add to our canvas. I will be using contours to get rid of some of the details. I just want to start off with that swirly thing on the bottom. And so I'm just going to select a shape and then just slice it out. Next, I'll be cropping out Jack and Sally just because I want like just their silhouettes, not the whole thing. And now I'm just going to move it over to the nails and size it up. And so just keep playing with the design until you find something that you like. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the design, so then I'm just going to go over to the right side and then just hide my template and go over to make it. I do make 3 project copies just to have enough pieces in case I need some extra, and then I like to move them around just to make the most out of my vinyl. I will be using HEV vinyl, so I'm just going to select my vinyl as my cut setting, and now I can cut. Here we have the Born Pretty Pink Jelly Gel sets. These are a set of 6 nail polishes, and they are meant to be jelly, so you only need 1 to 3 layers depending on the color that you want. I will be using these nail polishes in my next few videos, so stay tuned. And for now, I'll just give you a swatch of all of these colors. I'm really excited about this deep red color as well as this other pink color that just looks so nice. For today's video, this is the color I'll be using, and here I have my nails ready to be prepped. And so I start off with just a sanding block to get rid of the top shiny layer of the nail. And just make sure that you do all of this throughout all of the nails. And so once we're done, we're ready to add our gel polish. These jelly gel colors are meant to be translucent if you only do 1 coat. This time I'll be doing 2 coats because I do want more of like an opaque color, but you can also do 3 coats if you really want a deeper color. The application of this polish was very easy. It is very easy to work with. The brush is very large, so it's able to just, go through very evenly and smoothly. This is what 1 coat looks like, and so I'm just going to go ahead and cure that. For the striped nail, I did need just a white nail, so I'll just be using this white polish and just applying it to that index finger. Back to the thumb, we're just going to be applying our second coat of Born Pretty's gel nail polish. Here we can see how it starts to kind of look ombre based on the color. I just love this color so much. I feel like this is what I'm going to be using most. To prep our nails for the nail decals, I do like to take some alcohol and just a cotton ball and then just wipe the top shiny layer of the nails. And now I'll be using the deep French tip nail decals to do my French tip on just 2 of the fingers. Make sure that you smooth it down as best as you can. And now I'm just going to apply a white nail polish right on top. I do remove the decal before curing anything just so I can take a brush and clear any imperfections if I need to. And so now we have our bases done and we can apply our nail decals. Here I have the black vinyl and I have cut out all of my pieces. I do also have these little hearts for in between. And so I'll just be taking 1 piece at a time and then just applying them to where I want them. To seal in my decals, I'll first use Beetle's Foundation Base Gel and just do 1 coat. And make sure to cure that in your lamp. Moving on to the index finger, this is the white nail that's just going to have the stripes. And so I'm just going to be taking my little strips of vinyl and then just applying 1 in the middle and then 2 on each side. Make sure that you smooth it down as best as you can, and if you have pieces that are too long, we could just take our scissors or any clip that you can and then just cut off the excess. Going back to the thumb, now that the base coat is done, we're going to add our top coat, and this is going to seal in everything. This is a non-wipe top coat, meaning that you don't need to do anything after. It's just going to dry and not be sticky. And so once again, we're going to cure that, and then we'll be done with that nail. And so I'm just going to go through and repeat the same steps with the rest of the nails. Make sure that you're adding 2 top coats just to seal in your entire design. And so I'm just going to let you guys watch, and then I'll be back with the finished product. And here we go. This is the finished product. This is what the nails look like, and now they are ready to be applied. All of the products I used are listed down in the description below, so make sure you check those out. If you guys like this video and found it helpful, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And just thank you so much for watching.